Geekgear's World of Wizardry Pinz box. Wholistic Wizards. Wholistic Wizards. World of Wizardry Wearable subscription. World of Wizardry Wearable subscription. Triwizard Club. Need more Harry Potter in your life. Need more Harry Potter in your life. Accio. Toparc Monthly Wizardry Wand Box. Loot Crates Wizarding World Box. Flying Parcels from Gobstone Alley. The Monthly Profits Magic Box. The Monthly Profits Magic Box. GeekGear. Geek out each month with a box full of 6 to 10 exclusive Wizarding World products, including an exclusively designed monthly shirt. Just fill out a questionnaire to specify your preferences, from shirt size to house choice. Ships worldwide from the UK.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care.